The puzzle cone challenges your little one's problem-solving skills and refines their pincer grasp as they stack the puzzle pieces together. The three-dimensional layers of cylinders and rings will engage your toddler's spatial awareness and understanding. You can store the puzzle cone pre-built on your little one's shelf to start. For variety, once they know how to build it, you can store it in a basket unbuilt to re-engage their interest. Introduce the puzzle cone to your little one when seated at a table or on the floor. This is the puzzle cone. Watch! Stabilize the base with one hand, making sure not to obstruct their view of your movements. Then, remove the top piece with a pincer grasp, using 2 fingers and thumb. Isolating these fingers strengthens their grasp in preparation for future writing. As you remove the larger ring pieces, you can use a C grasp, 4 fingers to thumb. This models for your little one that they might need to use more of their fingers and hand strength to remove these larger pieces. As you remove the rings, place them in no particular order in front of you. Offer a turn with this step at any point to your child if they are excited to get their hands on the pieces. Placing the rings randomly will create a fun search for the pieces that come next when you begin rebuilding the puzzle cone later. As you remove the cylinders, you can use one hand to grasp the top to lift a cylinder up, then pass the piece into your other hand for placement on the table or floor. Using both hands together to transfer the pieces crosses the hemispheres of your child's brain and fulfills their need to work with 2 hands separately. This will support new skills like opening and closing containers and using closures on clothing. Continue removing the cylinder pieces in the same way, collaborating whenever your little one is ready. When you finish, admire your work. We took out all the pieces. Now, let's build the cone again. Watch. Pause and search for the largest cylinder. Look around deliberately. You can model this important problem-solving skill to show your child that you are taking a moment to discriminate visually before choosing a piece. As you place the cylinders back into the puzzle, you can use a pincer grasp, holding it from the top of the cylinder. Collaborate with your toddler as soon as they are interested. It will be normal for them to jump in even before modeling for them. When this happens, observe how they interact with the toy. They may intuitively figure it out, but if not, you can ask, "Can I show you a different way?" After you finish the cylinders, start to put the rings back onto the puzzle, stacking from largest to smallest in the same problem-solving way. When you've finished building it, take a moment to appreciate your hard work. We built the puzzle cone! Should we do it again? When your little one first builds this puzzle on their own, they will likely do so in many creative and different ways. While there is a way to build it correctly, that should not be the goal during these first builds, but rather a point of arrival. They'll absorb the way it's supposed to be when it's stored pre-built in their space. If they return it to their shelf in a creative way, you can reset it for them after they've moved on to another activity. Correcting them at this stage will stifle their desire to engage with the cone again if they feel that they aren't successful. Toddlers will try and try again, testing the outcome with determination through trial and error. This process gives them deep learning and satisfaction. If they're capable right away or are excused from the struggle, they will miss out on this valuable experience.